You know, we often talk about how systemic racism impacts generations, the way you write about your grandfather. On page 38, I thought this was so beautiful. Gradually, he downgraded his hopes, letting go of the idea of college, thinking he trained to become an electrician instead. But this too was quickly thwarted. If you wanted to work as an electrician or as a steel worker, a carpenter or plumber for that matter, on any of the big job sites in Chicago, you needed a union card. And if you were black, the overwhelming odds were that you weren't going to get one. Discrimination altered the destinies of generations of African Americans, including many of the men in my family, limiting their income, their opportunity, and eventually their aspirations. First of all, I don't think I've ever heard a more gut-wrenching truth explained in such simple human terms. And did your parents sit you and Craig down at some point and explain that the world isn't always fair?
Oh, yeah. We would have conversations all the time. I mean, and that section, I talk about my paternal grandfather. We called him Dandy.